When you're solving a problem that's written horizontally or across, you want to write it vertically or on top of each other. So come over here and you're going to get a pen and we're going to write it on top of each other or vertically. 34 minus 29. Now you want to make sure you're lining up your tens and your ones so you can solve it correctly. The next step is to draw it out. So let's pick a different color. Let's do green. And let's go a little bit thicker. We'll use the highlighter. So you're going to draw the number 34. You're only going to draw 34 because this is the whole number and we're going to take part of it away. So we don't want to draw the second number. So let's draw 34. We have 3 tens, 1, 10, 20, 30, and we have 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, come on, 3, 4. Okay, so when we're adding or subtracting, we always start in the ones place. So if I have 4 ones, can I take away 9? If I come over here, can I take away 9 ones? No, I don't have enough. Let's say our poem. More on top, you can stop. No need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and borrow 10 more. So we see that there's more on the floor, so we need to go next door to the tens place. And we need to borrow one of those tens and break it up into 10 ones. So let me get a different color here. So let me show you with the model. So here's our ones place, here's our tens place. We're going to go next door. We're going to borrow one of these tens. And we're going to turn it into 10 ones. We're going to break it up into 10 ones. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now that I took one of these tens and I broke it up into 10 ones, do I have enough here now that I can subtract 9 ones from it? Yes, I do. Let's go over to our problem and show those same changes. So first we went next door and we took one of these tens. So if we have 3 tens and we take one, we're left with 2 tens, as you can see in the picture. And now I don't have 4 ones. What I'm going to do is take this 10 over here to the ones place and I'm going to add it to the number that I have. So I have 4 and I'm going to add 10 to it. 10 plus 4 is 14. So now I have 14 ones. Not 4 ones, 14. So let's count and make sure. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have 14 ones now. So now I'm going to take away 9 ones. 14 minus 9. So let's mark them out. 1, 2, come on, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I took away 9 tens. I marked them out. How many are left? 4, 5. So 14 minus 9 is 5. Okay. Now I'm going to subtract my tens. I have 2 tens and I need to subtract 2 tens. So let's mark those out. So if I mark those out, how many are left? No tens. 2 minus 2 is 0. So that is what you are going to do on each of these problems. You are going to write it up and down on top of each other, which we call vertically, and you are going to draw the model of it, and you are going to show regrouping if necessary for the problem, and you're going to solve it. So let's practice one more together. All right, let me get my pen back. So 43 minus 6. 43 minus 6. So first step, we're going to draw it vertically on top of each other. Then we're going to draw our model. So let's use green and the highlighter so it's thicker. Okay, 43. Remember, we only draw the first one. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Now once we draw the model, we can start to subtract. Remember, we always start in the ones place. So if I have 3 ones, can I subtract 6 ones? No, I don't have enough. Let's say our poem. More on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and borrow 10 more. We have more on the floor, so we need to go next door. Let's get my red pen here. So if I'm in my ones place, I need to go next door to the tens place. Let's mark out one of those tens. And we're going to turn that into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we want to show that in our problem. So let me go get my blue. So let's show we were here in the ones place. We need to go next door to the tens place. I had 4 tens, right? And I took one of them. So how many are left? There's 3 tens left. Now what I'm going to do is take that 10 over here to the ones place, and I'm going to add it to the number that's here. So 3 plus 10 is 13. Let's count our ones and make sure we got 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, so now that we have more on top, no need to stop. We can go ahead and subtract. Let's take away 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. All right, so what is 13 minus 6? How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 ones left. Now, let's go to our tens place. 3 minus 0. Do we have to subtract any more tens? Nope, we're good. We still have 3 tens left. So the answer is 37. So this is what you're going to do on the next 2 slides, is solve these problems the same way by writing them on top of each other vertically, making sure to line up your ones and tens, and drawing a model.